JTMM, just to make more. The world is on the edge of a sudden recession. The economic disruption caused by the coronavirus already impacted today's markets, which are registering massive falls of up to 10%, unprecedented since 2008. Billions of dollars and pounds are vanishing. Job security is a thing of the past, and we're still all entrepreneurs now, whether we work for ourselves or for someone else. You already know about our exciting new cross-border e-commerce platform, providing a way to supply a wide range of exceptional products direct to consumers, using the power of social networking. It's time to make a wise choice to secure your future. JTMM opens the world of new opportunities and preferential advantages for you as a long-term partner of Tiens. So what are your advantages? Firstly, you'll get preferential rank. From the launch of the platform, you'll have 3 months to activate your membership with JTMM. And moreover, your entire Tiens network will have an option to activate under you too. All you need to do is register, activate, complete 20 GV growth value transaction, and verify your Tiens ID and upline ID on the platform. Remember to invite your team to do the same. During your network migration period, the bonus is calculated according to completed activation of the line of sponsorship. If your Tiens rank is 5-star or below, you'll be upgraded to Ruby membership. For Tiens ranks of 6-star or 7-star, you'll be upgraded to Emerald. 8-star, Bronze Lion, and Silver Lion will be upgraded to Diamond. And Tiens rank of Gold Lion and above will be upgraded to top TJMM membership of a Blue Diamond. The second advantage, you, your existing and new network, can upgrade JTMM rank with lower requirements. Within the first 3 months, all new JTMM members will be offered a rank upgrade promotion. You can upgrade to Ruby, purchase of 40 growth value. Become Emerald by accumulating 400 growth value or serving 15 Ruby members. Qualify as a Diamond by accumulating 4,000 growth value or serving 10 Emerald members. And finally, you can reach the rank of Blue Diamond by accumulating 20,000 growth value or serving 5 Diamond members. Third advantage, get your gifts for inviting friends and family to buy from JTMM. Invite 10 VIP customers and receive a €20 cash bonus. Recommend 10 Ruby customers and receive €50 cash bonus. The fourth advantage is an incentive program for top sellers, Quality Life Plan. The best sales performers will receive cash bonuses of €30,000 and €100,000. Don't delay. Join JTMM today. Make your first step towards the future.